Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel EU. So I am in Novosibirsk in Russia. Yes, I didn't leave Russia till now because Russia is not leaving me, guys. So see the views first. Beautiful, right? I'm just taking you guys to near that flight. It's very beautiful over there. You can see the flights, and I'm just staying near to the airport. I'll show you the hotel where I'm staying, because airlines have put up me in a hotel nearby airport only. So I need to check out. It's already 5:45. I'll check out in another half an hour. I'll just go to room and I'll check out. I just packed everything is done, so kept ready. I just came back to buy this Pepsi because it's around 73 rubles here outside, but inside it's 150 rubles here. It's almost double. See the views, guys. You can see it. Beautiful, guys. You are seeing this. It's so beautiful. You can see that the walkway. I went through this yesterday to a supermarket yesterday. It was so beautiful, guys. You can see this Novosibirsk, and all those golden color leaves makes it magical, right? See the flight. So beautiful. This is the hotel which I am staying. It is called a Skyport, 7th floor. Very good hotel. Airline staffs are staying over here only. Mostly the air hostess and the captains of the aircraft. They are staying here only, this hotel. Hi guys, I just reached the room. I could not vlog outside because it was too freezing outside. My fingers were freezing, just freeze. So I couldn't vlog much over there. I came back to the room, and this is my room, guys. You can see my room, how beautiful it is, right? It's very beautiful, and the setup, but it's a bit small, but still okay. They were all snowing. It was snowing in the morning over there. Now it is not there. Probably we'll see snow somewhere else, and we'll play with the snow. And this is myself. You can see myself here, and this is the hanger place. You can keep a hanger or everything. I just close it. So here you have to put your card. This is the place to put the card. And finally, this is the bathroom, guys. This is the bathroom. You can see the bathroom, how it's good, neat and clean bathroom. Not much to say. So that's all, guys. I'll see you in the airport, or else in Moscow. I don't know where I'll start vlogging again. So somewhere we'll see that. Guys, you can see behind me that the hotel, and here this is the airport. So just 150-200 meters. That's it. That's a maximum distance, I guess. So I'm just going to airport right now. So we'll see what happens. I'll start vlogging after I drop my luggage in. I checked in. I need to drop my luggage. That's the only thing which is remaining right now. And after getting into Moscow, I need to extend my visa for 2 more days by paying $1,000. So once I paid that, I'm good to go, guys. From previous video, you guys have seen that I was sent back from the Georgian border because my QR code didn't scan with their device. I don't know, it scanned with my mobile, but their device, it was not scanning. I don't know why. And they were scanned, sent me back. I was trying to hitchhike. I entered Russia again at the midnight. I was trying to hitchhike from border to Vladikavkaz again, but none of the truck stopped because it's 2 hours. So one taxi driver came and he said he'll take me to the airport, but the airport was closed in the night. So he took me to the hotel in Vladikavkaz, but the hotel was full. Again, he brought me to the border. He placed me in a good hotel, cheaper hotel. So I stayed there comfortably. I booked a flight to Albania, Tirana for the next day, and I flew from Vladikavkaz to Moscow. And one day I stayed in hostel in Moscow. later on I was supposed to board the flight, but they denied me the boarding because they said Albania has blanket banned on all the Indian passport holders. So it was missed again. So I got bit of scared that time, and because my visa was expiring on the same day, and I booked a ticket for Dubai on the same day, and I board, but unfortunately they don't know, the front desk people doesn't know the English, and they don't know the Indian passport policies, foreign policies and all, which countries we can travel, which visa we can travel and all. So that was a very challenging situation over there, and somehow they gave me, it was flight from Moscow to Norbisvik and Norbisvik to Dubai. Somehow they could give me what you call boarding pass from Moscow to Norbisvik, but they failed to generate a boarding pass from Norbisvik to Dubai. They said you go to Norbisvik and will get a boarding pass, but it was only 1 hour of connection time. So I went there, I got down there, but they were not able to generate again the boarding pass due to some system error, and it was the same airline. There it was a big wow. They just said that you have to book by yourself next ticket and you have to go wherever you want. So I stood with them, I talked to them, I argued with them, and it was a hell lot of time. Not only that time, the mental situation mine was very bad because of arguing with them. I didn't have sleep, all those things. I was very down, but I didn't panic at that time. I know that somehow I can go out from this, come out from this scenario, critical scenarios, same way I did. Like they finally they called the MD. He agreed to book me a free ticket with the airline's cost, and they also booked me the hotel, nearby hotel, for 36 hours, which you have seen in this video. So I stayed there. Next day I took a flight to Moscow. That is what just now you saw, Moscow to Norbisvik to Moscow. That was just now what you have seen now in the video. Moscow. I was supposed to extend my 2 days of immigration because it was 12th when I was leaving the Moscow to Dubai, and but none of them in the airport or help desk knew English, so they were not able to help me in this regard. So I decided directly to barge into the immigration. I went to clear the immigration to board the flight. I got it the boarding pass, but I wanted to clear the immigration, so they took my passport, and they asked me to sit outside their office in a separate chamber. So I sit there for 1 hour. I was very super early there, so they asked me to sit for 1 hour. They checked everything, why I went to Georgian border, everything, and finally they said that you are clear to go and you can go to Dubai. You can go to boarding gates and board the flight to Dubai. And that was the moment which I was waiting for. Finally I'm leaving Russia without any hassle. I didn't pay any single ruble of fine. Finally I was outside Russia. I boarded the flight, I reached Dubai, and that video you are going to see in next videos, guys. So that was the story behind this. So, and this is all the information. You want any more information about the Russia, about this hustle, about this thing, just comment in the comment section. I'll reply to you immediately, so that you guys will not have this situation. So just remember one thing, any panic situation, don't worry, just try different ways how you can come out of this panic situation. This tend to happen when you're traveling for a long time, and I traveled around 16 countries. Nothing happened, everything went smooth all these times, and this is the one thing which happened, but I successfully managed to come out. Yes, I spent little more money, but I successfully came out from the tricky situation and daunting situation. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and share with your family and friends. And I'll be doing more videos. I'm in third country now. Out of 50 countries, I'm in third country right now. You might be knowing which country I am right now. So if you know, just let me know in the comment. So videos are more getting excited. I have Expo 2020 video as well as these countries. Awesome, and I got this video as well as for you lined up coming. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video, guys.